for, since, or from. Stop getting confused. Hi everyone. Do you ever find yourself pausing mid-sentence wondering if you should say, for 2 days or, since 2 days? Using the wrong preposition can change your whole meaning. Today, we are breaking down for, since, and from so you never make that mistake again. Let's dive in. Section 1, for. First up is for think of, for, as a ruler, it measures a period of time. Example, I have been ill for a week. That's a 7-day duration. Tip: we also use it to show direction like, I will leave for Delhi next week. Quick test: if you can count the hours, days, or minutes, use for. Section 2, since. Now, let's look at since. Since is a specific point on a calendar. We use it to refer to the beginning of a time period. Example, I have been ill since last week. Bonus use: since can also mean because, to give a reason. Example, I can't go to school since I am sick. Simple, right? Section 3, from. Finally, we have from. This is all about the starting point of an action or a place. Origin: these mangoes are from Ratnagiri. That's where they started their journey. Future, starting time, from tomorrow onwards, no one is allowed to come late. Hint: use from when you want to signal the very beginning of a new rule or a physical location. Summary: for is used duration, period. Since is used specific start point. From is used origin, future start, from India, from tomorrow. So, remember, for counts the time. Since names the start, and from shows the origin. Asterisk, subscribe. For, since, and from, line by line explanation. Let's read each sentence and understand it step by step. Sentence 1. I've been working at this company for 5 years. Answer is, for shows duration. Sentence 2. He's been playing the guitar since he was 15. Answer is since shows starting point in the past. Sentence 3. She's moving from Jaipur to Mumbai next month. Answer is from shows starting place. Sentence 4. Please wait here for a few minutes. Answer is for equals short duration of time. Sentence 5. His family has been living abroad for 2 decades. Answer is for equals long duration. Sentence 6. Same as 5. Again, for shows time period. Sentence 7. I borrowed this book from the library. Answer is from equals source or origin. Sentence 8. They have been close friends since childhood. Answer is since equals starting time in the past. Sentence 9n. Sentence 10. For your practice. Final tip is, for is duration, since is starting point, from is starting point, source, cause. That's all. Practice these and you'll never be confused again. Thumbs up.